How are you, students? Good morning. Okay, I hope you all are fine and very well. Now, we will start our today's session with one activity. Okay, one small game. All of you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now, all of you know how to clap. If anyone can show me how to clap, clap. We clap now. Okay, but today we are going to clap in another way. Okay, like 1, 2, 3. Clap, students. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Again. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, very good. Now, how we are clapping? By 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. We count from 1, 2, and 3. Now, we will clap in another way. Like 1, 2, clap. 1, 2.
3.
Only 1 and 2. 1, 2.
1, 2.
Yes, again 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Again 2 times. 1, 2.
1, 2.
Again 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yes. Now first what we are done. We clap for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2,
3. Okay. And next time what we have done? We clap 2 times first. Okay. 1, 2. Then we clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Again we clap 2 times. 1, 2. Again we clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. The numbers are repeat after particular time. Like 1, 2. Again 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I will show another example. Okay. See, I have, all of you know, what is this? Yes. It's blocks. Okay. Blocks are there. Now I have many colored blocks. Like this is, which is this color?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Very good. Now I have some yellow colored blocks and some blue colored balls. Now see what I have done. See, one blue color block. Then I place second blue color. Okay. Then third blue color block. Okay. Now I put these yellow color block. Only one yellow color block. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 3 blue color blocks. Then again after this yellow block, I again put these 1, 2, 3, 3 blue color blocks on this yellow block. Okay. And then what come after this? Which color will come after these 3 blue color block?
Blue.
Yes, yellow color block will come after these 3 blue color block. Okay. What? We have created one pattern, that is 3 blue color blocks. Again only one single yellow color block. Again we put 1, 2, 3 blue color block. Again we put one single yellow color block. Okay. Now very good. Now see, I have another this color and this color. Okay. See, which color is this? Pink. Very good. And this?
Green.
Green. Very good. Now I have this pink color block and over this I put this green color block. Okay. Now again I put this pink color block. Okay. Now which color will come after this? Green color. Okay. Green color after this pink color. Again which color will come?
Green.
Yes. Again pink color we put here. What we have created? We have created one color pattern, that is pink color. Again green color, again pink color, again green color, and again we put the pink color blocks. In this way we have created this one pattern. Okay. Now see, I have another block. See this block, you can see the pattern here, 1 and 2 orange color block. Okay. And again I have put 1 and 2 blue color box. After this which come? Again orange color block, 1 and 2 orange color block. Again 2 blue color block. Okay. So our today's topic is related to the pattern. Okay, I have shown you the number pattern and some color pattern. Okay, now you can see the many pattern around us. Like we can see the pattern on curtains. Okay, on pattern on handkerchiefs or pattern on any dupattas. Okay, where do you see another pattern? Any flower pattern or any number pattern? Okay, now I will show you one PPT, then you will understand well. Okay. Okay, see our today's topic, patterns. See, what is pattern? Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged. etc. means extra are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. Now, all of you repeat after me. Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in particular order. And repeated over and over again. Okay, very good everyone. Okay, so pattern means figure, object or any shapes. They are arranged in a particular order. Okay, and repeat after over and over again. See, you can see the picture here. See, repeating pattern, the pattern of pictures. You can see here different types of picture. See, first, here, circle the picture that come next to the each picture pattern. See, this first example. What do you see here? See, duck and parrot is there. Okay. So, first picture is, what is this? Duck. Very good. And after duck, which bird is there?
Parrot.
After parrot, again, what is there? Duck. Again, after duck, again, parrot. Okay, very good. And last year it is again duck. Okay. So after this duck, which bird will come? Duck or parrot? Which will come?
Duck or parrot?
Which will come? Parrot will come after this duck. Okay. Now see the next. 2 flowers are there. Okay. two flowers are there, and again one hot air balloon is there. Okay, again two flowers, and after these two flowers, what will come?
One balloon.
One balloon.
Yes, this balloon will come after these two flowers. Again, see third example.
Correct.
Two hats are there. Again, here two baskets are there. Okay, two hat, two basket. After here only one hat is there. So after this one hat, which picture will come?
Basket.
Basket.
No
Hmm.
basket. Two hats are there. Again, two baskets are there, and then two hats will come now. So this hat will come after this hat. Two hats, two basket, again two hat. Okay.
Bye.
See, this example 4. See, here, one, what is this? Ball, okay?
Ball.
And after this ball, bag is there.
Bag.
After this bag, again ball is there. After ball, here again bag is there, okay? After bag, again ball. So what come after this ball?
Ball. Ball. Ball.
Bag will come, okay?
Come.
Very good. See, next example. See, this is purse, okay? Money purse. One money purse, and there are two frogs. One money purse and two frogs. Again, one money purse, and here only one frog is there. So after this frog, one frog, which picture will come? Frog or this purse? What will come?
Bear.
This frog will come after this frog. Okay. Very good. Now, see your size pattern. Means, see, in the first picture, we have seen the different pictures are there. Okay, the two flowers, or two hat, one duck or one parrot. Okay, different pictures are there. But now in this pattern, the pictures are same. Okay, like ice cream or this toffee or this toy or this flower. The pictures are same in all these box, but what the size is different. You can see here the size is small and big, okay? So you have to consider the size of the picture. See the first pattern, size pattern, okay? Circle the picture that goes next in the pattern. Means you have to see the size of this picture. See, first is ice cream is there. So this ice cream is big in size, okay? And this ice cream is small. Again, big ice cream is there. Again, small ice cream is there. Again, big ice cream is there. So what come after this big ice cream? Which ice cream will come? Small ice cream or big ice cream? Very good. Small ice cream will come after this big ice cream. Very good. Now, see the next example. Trophy. Okay. If we win any competition or any game, we will get trophy. Okay. But see here, all are trophies, but the size of these trophies are different. See, the first two trophies are small in size. Okay, you can see here. Again, this third trophy is big in size. Again, the two trophies are again small. Okay, so what comes after this? Small trophy or big trophy?
Small.
Big trophy. Okay, see here, big trophy will come. How? See, these two are small. Again, one big is there. Again, two small is there. So after two small, what will come? Big. So after these two small trophies, big trophy will come. Okay. Very good, everyone. Now, see again. Here, what is this? teddy bears there. Okay, so all are teddy bears, but the size of this teddy bear is different. See, 1 and 2, these two teddy bears are big in size. Okay, and after these two, this small teddy bear is there. Okay, again two big teddy bear, and what come after these two big teddy bear? Very good. Small teddy bear will come after these two teddy bear. Very good. Now, see, again this for example, all are flowers, okay, but the size of this flower is small and big. Okay, see the first flower is small in size. Then this second is big. Again, small. Again, big flower. Again, small flower. Okay, and what come after this small flower? Which flower will come? Big or small? Very good. Big flower will come after this small flower. Very good. See the last example. See, the fruit is there, but the size of this fruit is different. First fruit is small in size. Again, two big fruits. Okay. Again, one small fruit. One small fruit, and again one big fruit. After this big fruit, what will come? Again, one big fruit will come. Okay, not small, big, big, because here, see, first is small, again two are big. Okay, so again one is small, so we'll, after this one small, after this one small, two big fruit will there. Okay, so this will come after this big fruit. Okay, very good. Now see, again repeating pattern. Okay, now we have to circle what come after each repeating pattern. Okay, see. See, first, circle the picture that come next in the each repeating pattern. Okay, now see, lamp is there, again bulb is there, again lamp is there. Okay, then again bulb, again lamp, again bulb. So what come after this bulb?
Lamp.
Very good. Lamp will come after this bulb. Now, second, penguin is there. Again, two birds are there. Okay, one penguin and two birds. Again, one penguin and two birds. Then what will come after these two birds?
One.
What will come? This penguin will come. Okay. Very good. Now, see the third. Here, one fruit is there. Okay, one single fruit. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas. Okay, 4 bananas. Again, this one fruit. After this one fruit, which will come? Banana. Banana will come after this picture. Now, see your favorite toys are there. Okay, see the first is car. Okay, then one small, what is this? Doll. Okay, then again one small teddy bear. Again one car. Okay, see the pattern. Car, doll, teddy bear. Again car, doll, teddy bear. Okay, so what come after this teddy bear?
One car.
Very good. One car will there. Very good. Now see fifth example. Two shirts are there. Okay, one and two shirts. Again two frocks are there. One and two. Again two shirts are there. One and two. So what come after this two shirt?
One frock.
One frock.
Very good. Frock will come after these two shirts. Very good. See. Okay. Now, see, this is eraser. Okay. eraser and it is a pin. So one eraser, 3 pins. Again one eraser. Okay. Again here pin is there. So what come after this pin? No, not eraser. Okay. Why not eraser? See, because only one eraser is there and 3 pins are there. Okay. Again, only one eraser is there. So after one eraser, 3 pins will come, na? So here only one pin is there. So after this one pin will come again. Okay. Now, 7 example. One water bottle is there. Okay. And one jar, small jar. Then again 3 cups. See, understand the pattern well. See, first is bottle, then one small jar is there and 3 cups are there. Okay. Again, one bottle is there. So after bottle, what is there? What will come after this bottle?
One jar.
Very good. This jar will come. Very good. Okay. See, now it is also again size pattern. Now you can give me answer fast. See, bicycle is there. One big bicycle, again one small bicycle. Again one big bicycle, again one small bicycle. So what will come after this small bicycle? Small bicycle come. Yes, very good. This big bicycle will come. Then small car, then big car. Okay, again small car, again big car. So what will come after this big car?
Small.
Very good. Small car will come. Now see, small aeroplane, big aeroplane. Again small aeroplane, big aeroplane. Again small aeroplane, again big aeroplane. Then after this big aeroplane, again small aeroplane is there. So after this small aeroplane, which aeroplane will come?
Big.
Very good. Big aeroplane will come. Very good. Now see this example. Pencil is there. Okay. Big pencil, again small pencil. Big pencil, again small pencil. Again big pencil, again small pencil. Again big pencil. So what come after this big pencil?
Small.
Very good. Small pencil will come. Very good. Now, see, here picture is there. Okay. Okay. See, circle. See the pattern. Circle, triangle, and what is this? Square. Okay.
Square.
Again circle, triangle, again square. So what come after this square?
Circle.
Very good. Circle will come after this square. See, now the arrows. See the arrows. See, the arrow first in a upside. Then again, it's in downside. Again, it is in this side. Again, upside. Again, downside. Again, this left side. Again, which arrow will come? Very good. Upper side is arrow. Now, see, star. Okay. And see diamond. Then again, one circle. Again star. Again diamond. Again this circle. So what come after this circle?
Star.
Very good. Star will come. See, this is diamond shape. Again this. What is this? Square.
Square.
Then circle. Okay. Then again diamond, again square, again circle. So what come after this circle?
Square.
Very good. This diamond square shape. Okay. Now see these patterns also. Okay. See. This is rectangle shape. Okay, and this is plus sign. Again, this is a rectangle shape. Again, but the direction is different. Okay, again this rectangle shape. Again this plus sign. Again this rectangle shape. So after this, what will come? This shape will come. Okay, very good. See the next. Okay. Now color is there and also shape is there. See this square, then circle, square, circle, again square, again circle. Two examples are given here. This again square will come and again circle will come. Okay. In the same way, here triangle, sorry, rectangle, then triangle, again rectangle, triangle, again rectangle, again triangle. So after this triangle, what will come? Rectangle will come. Okay. And again triangle will come. Okay. Now see this circle, again two. What is this? Square. Okay. Two square. Again two circle. Okay. Again what will come? Again two rectangle and again one circle will come. Now see the triangle. One triangle, sorry, two triangles, but they are opposite in direction. Okay. Again two triangles opposite in direction. Again two triangles opposite in direction. The color of these triangles are different. Okay. It is a here green color and blue color. Again here two opposite direction triangle will come with blue color. Okay. The color of that triangle will blue. Okay. Blue color triangle. Okay. Very good. And see this pattern also. Yes. Now who will tell me what come after? Directly now tell me what come after this circle? What come?
Triangle.
Very good. This shape will come and again this triangle will come. Okay. Now all of you understand these patterns? Yes. In the next period, we will continue with number patterns. Okay. And more number patterns and more difficult pictures pattern. Okay.